Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson and we're continuing the unit on adjectives. Here we're going to be talking about comparative adjectives that use the word than. So can you make a comparison? So she is taller than he is. The Kobe burger is more expensive than the ribeye steak. And the water is deeper in the deep end than it is in the shallow end. So she is taller than him, or he is shorter than her. The burger is more expensive than the steak. The steak is cheaper than the burger. And the pool is deeper at this end than at the other end. All right, can you make a comparison? So Mike is younger than Vincent. This grade is better than that grade. This problem is easier than that problem. So we use than to make a comparison. Here's some examples. Russia is bigger than France. The shopping center is more crowded than usual. Rome is an older city than New York. It's faster to take a plane than to take a train. Alright, so now see if you can match these sentences. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. It's better to eat healthy food than to eat fast food. Gold is more expensive than silver. India is a larger country than England. A gorilla is stronger than a grown man. And happiness is more important than money. Now see if you can make a comparison using these adjectives. So this handwriting is messier than this, or this handwriting is neater than the other one. This car is better than that car. These foods are worse than this food. She is, or he is, healthier than he is. This building is more modern than that one. Shakespeare is more boring than comic books. This painting is more colorful than that painting. And ice cream is more delicious than steak. Okay, we're going to read these sentences about Philip and Corey and then make some comparisons. So Philip says, I'm 37, I'm a good runner, I am 1 meter 63 inches tall, I start work at 7 a.m., I work hard. Corey says, I'm 42, I'm not a good runner, I'm 1 meter 80 inches tall, I start work at 9 a.m., I don't work hard. So we could say that Philip is younger than Corey, or Corey is older than Philip. Philip is a better runner than Corey. Philip is shorter than Corey, or Corey is taller than Philip. Philip starts work earlier than Corey. Corey starts work later than Philip. And Philip works harder than Corey. Right, we have Eva and Michelle. I'm 23. I'm 1 meter 62 tall. I'm a good swimmer. I'm very quiet. My apartment is small. And then Michelle says, I'm 25. I'm 1 meter 66 tall. I'm not a good swimmer. I'm not quiet. My apartment is big. So Ava is younger than Michelle, or Michelle is older than Ava. Ava is shorter than Michelle. Michelle is taller than Ava. Ava is a better swimmer. Michelle is a worse swimmer. Um, Ava is quieter than Michelle. Ava's apartment is smaller than Michelle's, or Michelle's apartment is bigger than Ava's. Wait, use one of these comparative adjectives plus than. So black is darker than gray. There were so many people in the supermarket today, it was busier than usual. Sally looks happier than usual. Maybe she got some good news. Can you please finish that report soon? It's more important than your emails. I really like this hotel room. It's nicer than the one we stayed in last year. I prefer this cafe to the other one. I can relax here because it is more peaceful than the other cafe. There are few people in it and it's quieter. I know this book is thinner. Oops. Thinner than that book, but it's more difficult to read. You should swim at the end of this pool so the water is more shallow than at the other end. In my opinion, English lessons are more enjoyable than French lessons because my English teacher is nicer. Both my children are quite smart, but I think Chris is more intelligent than Leslie. So which expression goes best with this picture? So probably this one. She is taller than him. Alright, here's another sentence structure. We use the comparative adjective like older, then the word than, and then the object pronoun. So he is older than me, he is older than you, he is older than him, he is older than her, he is older than it, he is older than us, he is older than them. Alright, so now see if you can make up some of your own sentences, making comparisons. Okay, Carla and David. Carla is 24 and David is 32, so Carla is younger than David and David is older than Carla. She is 1 meter 72 tall. He is 1 meter 86 tall. So Carla is shorter than David. David is taller than Carla. She works very hard. He doesn't work at all. Carla works better than David. Carla speaks more languages than than David. David reads fewer books than Carla. Carla exercises more than David. David exercises less than Carla. Alright, so the sentence structure for these is comparative adjective plus the word than plus the subject pronoun plus to be. He is taller than I am. He is taller than you are. He is taller than he is. He is taller than she is. He is taller than it is. He is tired. He is taller than we are, and he is taller than they are. All right, make the sentences and start with the word in bold. So we are taller than he is. Here, I am older than you. They are smarter than her. She is older than he is. We are more intelligent than you. Alright, you can compare more than two things. He says, I'm 24, John is 22, John's brother is 18. So I am older than both John and his brother. Alright, now use the adjectives to make at least two comparisons. So the pasta is cheaper than the steak. The chicken cheaper than steak. And the steak is more expensive than the pasta. You can make some comparisons with the size of these countries and also the animals, big and small or tall and short. Okay, look at the image and make some comparisons using tall, old, slender, young, and short. And see if you can make some comparisons using these adjectives: cheap, delicious, expensive, sweet, or tasty. And here are a few more. Just try making some comparisons on your own. And a few more to finish up. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.